Eliminex here. We're doing a bat inspection. I had to be really careful on my inspection before I started running the camera because of the light. I didn't want to get any bats running around. So I don't see any roosting at this time. It is peak bat season. And there's all kinds of ways you can be getting in. You can see light from the drip edge, right where the gutters meet the roof line. And you can see all the droppings throughout. And another couple companies here, we're doing supposedly bat service. They are only concentrating on a couple spots, a few spots. They're only sealing up like 3 spots, but there's a gap throughout the whole perimeter, the drip edge. The bats are just coming in like no problem. And that's hard for me to get my footing to really show everything. I can't walk back and forth. But there's droppings throughout everywhere, throughout this whole main area. But the ways they're getting in is from the you can see the light, and that's not the soffit. That's the drip edge. It creates a ventilation there, so that can be filled in. That could be filled in, just capped off with the wire on the outside. It takes a lot of ladder work. That creates. You need that kind of. You need that venting, so we can make that so it vents and insects, mice, and bats can't get in. It's pretty extensive. It's a lot of ladder work. Attaching a ladder and then securing it, and then we're working on the house 5-foot sections at a time. Probably have to put several ladders out. And this is just the middle part. There's extensions that goes even further in on both sides, so I'm going to go in there, take a look.